This could be the car for you. The 2023 Honda CR-V. Presenting the Honda CR-V, the distinctive small SUV that does it all in premium style. From its high-end feel to its all-weather capability and sophisticated comfort, this sleek crossover will delight you on every adventure. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, dual zone AC, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, power driver seat, alarm. Feel confident and calm when you tackle life's daily adventures in this Honda CR-V. Come in and drive it home today.